This video, I'm going to create a simple character in Blender from stick figure. I will rig it and also create a simple walk cycle. And in a next video or later video, I will import this character in Unity and show how to use character controller to move the character in Unity environment. This is what I'm going to build in this video or couple of videos. This is a player, and this character is created in Blender. And using up and down, up arrow and left and right, I can move the character in this terrain. And there is also on-screen joystick, using which also you can control the player movement. So depending on how much you move the stick, the speed of uh, the player changes, and then you can turn the player by moving the stick to right or left.